Hi boys and girls, welcome back to music class. Today we will begin to create our drum kit. So together we're going to look around the house for different sounds that can be turned into instruments. So where are we going to put all of our sounds? Well, we have a few options. One option is we can take a big box where we can put all of our instruments. We can take some wrapping paper and decorate the box with it. And also we can take a nice beautiful label that you can draw yourself and tape it to the box. Ta-da! Another option is a nice basket where you can keep all of your instruments. Ta-da! The first instrument you're going to add to your box today is an instrument that makes a tap sound. I can tap it with a mallet, I can tap it with a sushi stick, I can tap it with a pencil, or just my hand. You're going to need to find two instruments that you can tap today. For my instrument, I'm going to use a bucket because it has a big sound. And then I need a smaller instrument that's going to make a smaller tap sound. So I'll show you two examples. I have this coffee can from Pure Colombian Coffee, yum, and it creates a wonderful sound. Or I can also use this wonderful yogurt container. It makes a really wonderful drum and it creates a really beautiful tap sound. Again, boys and girls, whatever containers that you do choose for your tap sounds, feel free to decorate them and make them look beautiful. I'm going to choose this coffee can as my small tap sound. So I will also use one mallet and one sushi stick to play on my two tap sounds.